Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making is an animal from we're going to be making an elephant from these papers and this right here. So what you're going to need is a ruler, a pencil, glue, scissors. You're going to need this it's a circle that's 9 inches in diameter. A white like a little bit thick paper, a black one, a two blue papers, and another black one. So yeah, let's get started. Well, actually, we're not gonna need this one. So yeah. So what you're gonna grab is the 9-inch diameter circle. This is gonna be its head, and then what you're gonna do is cut out from this blue paper. Cut out a 12-inch by 1-inch piece. That's gonna be the trunk. 1 inch. And this is a 12-inch paper, so I'm just gonna do it all the way. Where was that 1 inch? Where was the inch that I just marked? Right here. And 12 inches. So you're gonna cut this out, and this is gonna be the trunk. Or like the nose of the elephant. So this is gonna be the trunk. So you're just gonna put it right here. Well, first what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fold it in half right now like this, the 12-inch piece. Then you're gonna fold it this side to the middle crease that we just made. Fold it again. And then once you have done this, just fold it out like this, and then just do the folds that you're gonna need to do. Just like that. Now that you have this, you're gonna grab your glue, and then you're just gonna glue it. Glue it on like right here. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna do the eyes. So what you're gonna need for this is leave this to the side to dry. You're gonna need the black paper, and then you're gonna cut out a circle. This is gonna be like the inner eye, and I'm just gonna use my glue to trace it. Just like this. I know you can't see it because it's black on black. We're gonna need to cut out 2 of these for the 2 eyeballs, of course. Okay. Now, let's do the other one. Just like this. Okay, now you got the two eyeballs. You're gonna now you're just gonna you're gonna just you're gonna still need this for the hair that we're gonna make. Grab your white one, and then what you're gonna do is also trace it on something, but like something that is bigger than this that we just did. Let me see. Let me see where it is. Where is it? Sorry for this. There, how about a bottle cap? Sorry for the misplacement. Let's draw the other one instead of just cutting the other one out. And that's it, you're not going to need any of this white paper. Just like this. The other one. Okay, now that you have that, what you're gonna do is grab the head that I already made in the trunk. What you're gonna do is glue it on, glue the eyes on. Right here. Right here. Okay, now you're gonna just glue the black ones on now. You can like glue them like this to the side or just to the middle. Like this. And now what you're gonna do is we're gonna make the hair. It's not gonna be like a lot of hair, but it's gonna be hair. Set this to the side to dry again. Grab the black paper, and now what you're gonna do is just like draw some curly hair, like do this. Draw like 4 of them. just like this. Now I'm just gonna cut them out. This one here. Now the other hair. There. Two more left. One more left. Okay. Then you're not going to need any of this black paper anymore. Now, you're going to just glue the hair on the back, like in the middle, like this. Gonna grab this end, glue it on. Grab another one, glue it on. Grab this one. Glue it on. And the last one. Glue it on. Oops. It fell. Let me just do it here. Stick it to my head because my head is now has a glue on it. Why? Why is this happening? Stop. Okay, oh my god, you don't have to do this part if you don't want to. There, finally. It looked so easy, but it's actually hard when it's not supposed to be. Now you're just gonna do the ears, and I'm gonna use this right here. It's gonna be the ears. It's just gonna be like here. I don't know. I'm gonna draw it on this paper right here. Let this dry. Right now, and just try to actually just draw this because I just got it like from, I forgot what I got it from. So, wait, what am I doing? Not the glue. I'm gonna need to trace it. Now this might be the harder part. Okay, I'm just gonna use this other one for the ear. I'm not gonna need this no more. It's basically done now. Just need to cut this out and glue it on and you're done. I'm just gonna leave this for you here so that you can draw it. Try to draw it while I'm gonna be cutting the ear off. Oh shoot. Just ripped it a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna glue it on right now, like this from here. It's gonna tape it a little because it ripped. Okay, now I'm just gonna glue it. Okay, now you can just pause the video to draw it if you want. Just glue the other one in. And you're done, basically. So, it's a little bit too big for the screen. But, wait a minute. Just gonna, like this, as you can see. Right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you later. Bye.